Are you looking for the perfect way to display your drink collection and serve guests in style? While many people use a simple cabinet, did you know you can add a chic and functional piece of furniture that becomes the life of the party? In this video, we'll guide you through 5 of the best bar carts to elevate your home entertaining. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know which bar cart is your favorite. Today, we're exploring the best bar carts available right now. A bar cart is a fantastic way to add a mini home bar or a beautiful decorative accent to your living and dining spaces. Let's get started. First, the Vasagle Kitchen Serving Cart. This cart is all about style and function, mixing a rustic brown and black look that's perfect for any dinner party. It's incredibly versatile, giving you the choice to use its smooth rolling casters for mobility or switch to adjustable feet for a stationary shelf. Its standout feature is the convenient removable tray, which is perfect for serving and supports up to 33 pounds. With 3 large shelves and a sturdy steel frame, reviewers praise it for looking better than expected and offering a fantastic value for the price. Second, the Idealhouse 3-tier, the home gray bar cart. If you need serious, dedicated storage, this is a great option. It's a large capacity cart that comes complete with 2 removable top trays, a wine rack for 4 bottles, and 3 rows of glass holders. This makes it a multifunctional workhorse, perfect as a kitchen storage station, a dining room serving cart, or even a coffee bar. It features a fashionable industrial metal frame, and customers report that while it's sturdy and easy to assemble, the wheels may perform better on hard floors than on carpet. Third, the Tutotak Bar Cart. This cart is a fantastic solution for smaller apartments or fitting into unusual sized nooks. It's more compact but still packed with useful features, including a handle for easy control, 6 S-hooks for hanging utensils, and a protective fence on the bottom shelf to keep bottles secure. It also includes a removable wine and glass rack, adding to its versatility. Reviewers love this cart, calling it a hidden gem that is perfect for limited spaces, very sturdy, and incredibly easy to build in about 20 minutes. Fourth, consider the Hoobro bar cart for the home. This cart offers a beautiful blend of retro wood texture and a cool black frame, making it look more expensive than it is. It's designed for total flexibility, coming with both 4 locking casters and 4 extra adjustable feet, so you can decide if you want it to move or stay still. It features 3 spacious shelves and a built-in rack for your wine glasses. Customers note that it holds a ton of stuff and is a great value, though some recommend using a cordless drill to make the assembly process even faster. Fifth, the Bonaugure bar cart for the home. This is the ultimate choice for serious entertainers who need maximum storage and stability. This cart is a powerhouse, featuring 2 stemware racks that hold 12 glasses and a wine rack for 6 bottles. Its key feature is the enhanced stability with metal support rods under each shelf, allowing it to hold up to 150 pounds per shelf. It also has wraparound rods to keep items secure and side hooks for towels. Reviewers are thrilled with its quality, confirming it's very sturdy, holds a huge amount, and is a beautiful addition to any home. Finally, making your final choice. As you've seen, each cart has unique strengths. Before you buy, measure your space and think about your primary need. Do you need maximum bottle and glass storage like the Bonaugure, or a flexible serving station with a removable tray like the Vasagle? Consider if you'll be moving the cart often, which makes wheel quality important, or if it will be a stationary piece. This will help you select the perfect cart to elevate your home. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.